Come to mommy. It doesn't seem I have time for both diamonds, but don't worry, number two. I'll be right back.
I want justice. Relax, we'll do what we can to get your family diamond back. You still have your other one. And how long until that one's gone too? Commissioner, all evidence suggests that this was Catwoman's doing. Good work, Bolton. Let's get back to the GCPD building and begin our investigation. What? No, get to work now. That's an order. Linz, you don't have full authority over us. You're on probation, remember? Let's go. You're sure no one else knows about this, Flass? Positive. Roman, I have a proposition for you. I'm listening. I can have Jules and Flass break you out of here. Legally. Sounds tempting. What do you want in return, Linz? Catwoman. Dead. Mr. Mayor, you have a deal. Are you finished, Flass? I think so. This checks out as Black Mask's folder. Then let's get out of here before the cops show. Or worse. What could be worse? Would you really like to know? Ah! Ah! Are you finished playing, Jules? Fine, let's go! See? No problem, Flass. The trick is to remember that Batman and Robin are just people, nothing more. Really? They strike me as people who can't take a hint. What? They're trailing us! Not for long. Hold on to your dinner, Flass. The notorious crime lord Black Mask was released from Arkham today because his criminal record has been completely wiped clean. Until the investigation is completed, Detective Bullock has told us Black Mask is as legal a Gothamite as any of us. This is Jack Ryder from Arkham Asylum. What's Black Mask up to? Mayor Linz must have hired Jules and the other thug last night to get Black Mask's record so they could wipe it clean. But why would Linz want Black Mask out of prison? It's no secret that Linz is furious with Selina Kyle for stealing his family diamond. Of course! Linz broke him out so he can kill Selina. I have to find Catwoman before Black Mask does. She's safer in Arkham than anywhere else in this city.
I hope you're having fun up here brooding.
Where's the diamond?
If I was the kind of person who would tell you that, I wouldn't be wearing this costume, would I?
Selina, I need to get you to safety.
Safety? What, you mean Arkham Asylum? Sorry, Bats, but Joker and Two-Face aren't exactly my idea of safe.
Linz wants you dead. I've dealt with him over the last few weeks. He's persistent.
I can take care of myself. It doesn't matter if you think otherwise.
There she is! Oh, great. Batman. Have you beat him before? No. But I have had my shoulder dislocated by him before. We'll take Batman out too. He's jamming my gun. Mine too. Oh. Sionis, you had one chance and you blew it. This is why I should have gone with someone else. Wait. As a matter of fact, I did. What? I'm still getting paid, right? Relax. You'll get what's coming to you. It's not too late to make up for your mistake. Okay. So, who'd you get? There, he's tranquilized. Perfect! Now let's unmask him! We've hit the jackpot! I have the one man who wants my life ruined more than anyone else in this city.
Deathstroke, fancy seeing you here.
Yeah, Linz is paying a hefty price for your head, Cat.
You'll have to catch it first.
Ugh! Not surprised that you're involved in this. Not surprised that you had to be as well, boy. You know, I've always found bird hunting to be too easy. Talk to me. Alright, Linz, I have Robin. Excellent, Wilson. Now I have the bat. Let's meet. I'm at the warehouse next to the museum. Be here in 15 minutes or I'm cooking the bird. Deathstroke is Robin. Let's go. Bring him, Jules. I've done what no criminal in this city has done before. I've captured Batman and Robin. When we get out of here, Linz... You won't. Wilson is gonna assassinate both of you right here. With you two out of my way, I'll only have that cat to worry about. But now that I have Black Mask and Deathstroke, I will be unstoppable. Garfield, I wouldn't underestimate Catwoman. You are funny, Batman.
You should listen to him, Mr. Mayor.
Well, it has been a while since I've had a good fight. You can't hide from me! Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come on out. Ugh! Let's go! Oh. It's over. For you. Oh, but I don't even need to worry, Batman. I rigged that museum with explosives. Catwoman will be gone forever. Oh. To think that Catwoman's really gone. She isn't. And neither is that diamond.